Right, I'm just going to give you a walk round video of this superb Mercedes-Benz E350d, and this is the SE Premium Plus. So if you've been looking for one without the hard suspension and you want one with the air suspension in a super colour, only 17,500 miles from new, with a full Mercedes service history. Honestly, looking here, you'd think this was a new car. It looks superb. Right, we'll start here at the front corner, carefully show you around. Say, super condition, no visible stone chips. You might find the odd little tiny one, being as though it's not a new car. Front and rear parking sensors. Really lovely. Just looks as though it's had two new front tyres. We've got all the book pack here, locking wheel bolt, all the service history. It's full up-to-date Mercedes service history, clear HPI certificate. It's all been detailed and it looks cracking. Right, let's show you the windscreen. All good, no chips on the screen. Looking down the side of the car, it's just superb. No dings and scratches. It is lovely. And a super colour. If you look at the photos on our website of the car outside, you get a better indication. I'd say it was a petrol-y blue. It's a greeny blue. Very nice. All the wheels are super. Panoramic tilt slide electric sunroof with blind. So a sun blind pulls across the complete roof. Moving to the back of the car. See, it is super. Let's open the boot. It's a power boot, and in here you'll see it's got a plastic Mercedes-Benz tray which keeps the boot all lovely. Press the button here to lower the boot. I've driven this car for 2 or 3 days and it is really super to drive. Let's go down this side really slowly for you. So there's no little chippings down the door edges. Honestly, it is lovely. Rear wheel. Let's show you in the back for a start. So you've got these lovely colour changing LED lights throughout the car. The leather just looks like brand new. Lovely ivory leather. We've got the rear armrest here. Let's pull that down. There's drinks holders in the rear there. Burmester sound system. This one's even got heated rear seats, 3-position. It's very nice. Say, everywhere you look, super. Right, in the driver's side, you'll see all the electric seat buttons there, even the headrests. They're on a memory, and we've got heated, and we've got front chauffeur buttons. So you can press that one and operate the passenger seat from this. We've got electric lumbar support. As I say, super inside, just like new. Full specification on our website. Got paddle gear change, xenon lights. Really nice. Now the dashboard trim, it's a matte deep grain wood. And it looks fantastic. Light coloured roof lining to match the seats. Right, I'll just stand back, give you a side profile. And at night the car looks like a black car actually, when it hasn't got any, we've got LED lights here in the showroom. When the sunlight's on it, you'll see it's a super colour, and when it's dark it looks a black car. Full description on our website, justnicecars.co.uk. Any questions you have, if you'd like to give us a call, if you'd like a finance quotation or a PCP. But what a supercar this. Have a read of the specification on our website. Thank you very much for watching.